Podium microphone on now.
Hello everybody.
Podium microphone on now.
Hello everybody. I will not prolong your agony because I am sure everybody wants to know what the outcome is of the count. The record to beat was 250, and what we have achieved here today amidst very strict guidelines is 721. So congratulations. A new record has been made, a new record set for Guinness World Records.
Thank you so much for declare Guinness World Record today. Ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends and media persons and participants. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, media persons and participants, first of all, I would like to thank and congratulate all participants for making Guinness World Record. Longest moving line of public walking on stage. So, on behalf of the people of KarbiAnglong, once again, all participants, congratulate to all. This is historic moment for all us. And once again, thank you to all participants and this event possible. Thank you all media person. Thank you KarbiAnglong.